Welcome to our guide on preparing for dust storms in New Mexico. In this video, we'll walk you through essential steps to stay safe and protect your family during dust storms, a frequent occurrence in our beautiful state. From understanding the risks to creating an emergency kit, we'll cover everything you need to know to be well prepared and mitigate the impacts of these powerful storms. Let's dive in and ensure you're ready when the winds pick up. 1. Understand dust storm risk. In New Mexico, dust storms are not just another weather phenomenon. They are a reality that residents must be prepared for. These storms can occur suddenly, often reducing visibility to almost zero, which poses a significant risk to drivers. Imagine being on a highway when everything around you becomes a blur of brown dust. It's not just about visibility. Dust storms can also affect air quality, leading to respiratory issues, especially for those with pre-existing conditions. Understanding these risks is the first step in preparing for such events. Knowing the potential hazards can help you make informed decisions about your safety. 2. Stay informed. Staying informed is crucial when it comes to dust storms. Keeping an eye on weather forecasts and alerts can make all the difference. The National Weather Service regularly issues warnings and updates about impending dust storms, and local authorities often provide additional information and guidance. Consider setting up weather alerts on your phone or installing a weather app that provides real-time updates. By staying informed, you can make timely decisions, such as whether to postpone a trip or secure outdoor belongings. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it can help keep you safe. 3. Create an emergency kit. Having an emergency kit ready is a smart move for anyone living in dust storm-prone areas. Your kit should include essentials like water and non-perishable food to sustain you if you're stuck at home or in your car during a storm. A flashlight and extra batteries are crucial for power outages or navigating low-visibility situations. Don't forget a first aid kit for minor injuries and dust masks to protect your lungs from harmful dust particles. Think of your emergency kit as your personal safety net, something you hope you never need but are grateful to have in an emergency. 4. Secure outdoor items. Before a dust storm hits, it's essential to secure or bring indoors any outdoor items that could become projectiles in high winds. Patio furniture, garden tools, and decorative items are all at risk of being tossed around, potentially causing damage to your property or others. Think of it like preparing for a strong breeze that could turn your backyard into a chaotic mess. Taking the time to secure these items not only protects your belongings but also helps prevent injuries to people and animals nearby. 5. Plan for transportation. Transportation can be particularly tricky during a dust storm. If you know a storm is on the way, it's best to avoid unnecessary travel. However, if you find yourself driving when a storm hits, it's crucial to pull over safely. Turn off your lights to prevent other drivers from following you mistakenly, and keep your foot on the brake until visibility improves. The key is to stay calm and make your vehicle as visible as possible to others. Remember, it's better to arrive late than never. 6. Limit outdoor activities. Dust storms can affect air quality, making it unsafe to be outside, especially for sensitive groups. Children, the elderly, and those with respiratory conditions should limit outdoor activities during these events. It's like putting on sunscreen to protect against sunburn. Limiting exposure to dust can prevent health issues. Staying indoors with windows and doors sealed can significantly reduce the amount of dust you breathe in, protecting your health and well-being. 7. Protect your home. Your home is your sanctuary, and during a dust storm, it's essential to keep it as dust-free as possible. Seal windows and doors to prevent dust from entering your living space. After the storm passes, use damp cloths to wipe down surfaces and remove any dust buildup. Consider it like spring cleaning, but focused on removing the gritty residue left by the storm. Keeping your home clean not only improves air quality but also makes the space more comfortable to live in. 8. Know first aid for dust exposure. Being familiar with first aid measures for dust exposure can be a lifesaver. If dust gets into your eyes, rinse them with clean water to remove any particles. Remove any clothing that may have trapped dust and wash your skin with soap and water. If respiratory symptoms occur, such as coughing or difficulty breathing, seek medical attention immediately. Think of it as knowing how to swim before jumping into a pool. Being prepared can prevent a minor issue from becoming a significant problem.